Hey everybody, it's Cary here at Byrider Madison, back at you with another video. We're talking about the hits so far for the year 2024. Because we're a used car dealership, we don't have any specific brands or makes or anything like that. We carry everything. But just so far in the first couple of months, sold a lot of vehicles that are all-wheel drive, that are third row, big for the family. A lot of SUVs been very popular so far. So these vehicles, I mean, they're going to come with a lot of those creature comforts. Typically like with a touch screen, backup camera, stuff like that. Have those features that you really truly want. And also, biggest feature of all, building or rebuilding your credit. Can't go unnoticed as well. So give us a call here at Byrider, 608 663 1213. Take care.